Hello friends, my name is Dr. Today I am going to describe what yoga philosophy is. So as you all know, India is a land of yoga philosophy. There are several classic texts available on yoga philosophy. For example, Yoga Pradipika, Kiran Sahita, Shav Sahita, Yoga Vasishtha, Patanjali Yoga Sutra, etc. Among all of them, Patanjali Yoga Sutra describe yoga scientifically. Others will describe what yoga will give you, and Patanjali Yoga Sutra will describe how yoga will give you that all things. There are several definitions on yoga available. For example, in Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna defines yoga as a samatvam yoga uchyate. That means state of equilibrium is known as yoga. Second definition by Krishna, that is yoga karma kaushalam. It means skillful karma is known as yoga. Third definition is in Vedic literature is given by one of our sages, that is sanyogo yoga ityukto jivatma paramatma yoga. It means unification of Jiv with Shiva, soul with Supreme Soul, or consciousness with collective consciousness is yoga. Another definition is, that is sarva chinta parityago nischinto yoga uchyate, that is yoga. It means by yogic practice, the mind stuff of yogic practitioner abandon all anxiety and becomes anxiety-less, and that state is known as yoga. So in Sanskrit, yoga word comes from word form yuj. It means to unite or to join. So here Patanjali is describing unification between soul and Supreme Soul. The way of description of yoga by Patanjali is quite distinct and unique. How? Let's see. There are 4 chapters given by Patanjali in Patanjali Yoga Sutra. First one is Samadhi Pad, second one is Sadhana Pad, third one is Vibhuti Pad, and fourth one is Kaivalya Pad. There are 196 aphorism or sutra given in Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Each sutra describe the various aspect of yoga philosophy distinct way. Patanjali starts definition of yoga by this way in Samadhi Pad, Atha Yoganu Sasanam. Let me describe it afterwards. First I describe what 4 chapters are. Samadhi Pad is a chapter which describes what super consciousness is and what properties it may possess. Second chapter is Sadhana Pad. It describes how a yogic practitioner can achieve the state of super consciousness. Third chapter is about Vibhuti Pad, which describes a yogic practitioner various powers which may be achieved by yogic practitioner in the state of super consciousness. Fourth chapter is about Kaivalya. Kaivalya means salvation or liberation. It means fourth chapter describes how a yogi can get salvation and what happens when a yogi achieves salvation or liberation. So let's begin with first shloka in Samadhi Pad, that is Atha Yoganu Sasanam, which translate as now the description of classic text on yoga starts. If you see the meaning of Sanskrit word yoga, it comes from verb from yuj. Yuj means to unite or to join. Here Patanjali is describing about unification of being and super being. So Patanjali describes yoga scientifically by science of concentration or focus. So again I am describing the meaning of first shloka, that is Atha Yoganu Sasanam. The description of classic text of yoga starts. Here several authors have given several different definitions, but I will give totally scientific definition of yoga according to Patanjali. Patanjali is a great yogi and great scientist. He has described yoga scientifically, as I have told. I have given definition of yoga as a science of concentration, of science of focus. If you ever heard about laser in physics, laser means light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Laser is a source of light which is highly coherent. Laser can cut even diamond, even a hard rock. Why? Because various rays of light are coherent and concentrated on particular point. So same as laser, here Patanjali is emphasizing on science of focus and science of concentration. To achieve salvation or to achieve liberation, concentration is very important. If you understand the science and physics of concentration, you will have salvation or liberation in a time. Thank you very much.